How to use the zoom blur in Affinity Photo? Well, there's a number of ways, of course, but the key one here is filters, blur, and zoom blur. Just go to there, zoom blur. Now, once you've got that, you've got a little panel in the corner. Now you can move the panel up to the centre if you want, but you can also move the origin. It's interactive, so you can quickly just move over and sort of position the centre of the zoom. And also obviously modify the radius as well, so make it really, really zoom at that point. So, and then once you're happy with that, you can click cancel or apply to actually apply the effect. You can apply it once, multiple times, and obviously with different origins if you want as well. You'll notice there's no layer, new layer, filter layer for zoom blur, but a way around that is go to layer and duplicate. Then once you've got that, you can then combine it with blending mode. So you can just go apply the effect to the new layer, and or perhaps to the old layer. Obviously you can reduce it as well, but just use that. And then you can also modify, go over to layers, you can see there's an option there, opacity. So you can say maybe change the opacity, maybe set it to 50%, or change it from normal to difference to darken, etc., or linear light, and so on and so on. And again, that's interactive as well. So you can go to that panel and change it. Sometimes it doesn't actually change it particularly straight away. Sometimes it does. Should, I think, change it because you can see it change there. Sometimes you go to it and it suddenly takes a bit of time to process. Anyway, it's done it now. So you can see, you can also still modify the zoom blur. So you can go to the radius and obviously change the position of the origin as well. Right, now I'm just going to go back to the start point. And now what you can also do, you can use selections. So you can go to the, just there, rectangular marquee tool and select an area. Again, go to the filters and blur and go to zoom blur and just modify the position of the zoom blur there. And it only applies it to that effect, obviously that area there. But of course you can then make maybe different areas, selections, and then apply that effect to those different areas. Deselect at that point. And also you can use it, say, like in channels. That's another one. You can of course combine it with other filters as well, but channels via the view menu, and then just go to, there's obviously composite red there, composite green and blue. There's obviously the background ones. Wouldn't go for that. Just click the composite red and then go to blur, and again zoom blur. Right, select that, move the origin point, change it. You can change obviously the radius, you don't have to keep the same. Apply the effect. Now go to composite green or composite blue, and then just go to there and again zoom blur and move that origin. And once you're actually happy with it, click apply, and then you of course can go back, just click that little circular radius thing, and then that's it.